Hi, welcome to Best of Practices for Kindergarten. Compare and order numbers to 20. My name is Billy Joe, and we will be looking at what student learning will look like in this unit. In this unit, we will have students making connections to comparing numbers to 10, and using that same comparative language, we are having them compare, but we still do not use the greater than and less than symbols. Students will be comparing sets of objects and pictures with up to 20 objects, identifying them as greater than, less than, or equal. This year, students will also be plotting numbers on a number line and comparing them using their position. Student learning will have students counting out sets of objects, plotting that total on a number line, and then comparing the numbers using the position of the numbers. Students will be counting pictures of objects and using circles and X's to indicate if the sets are greater than, less than, or equal. They will be applying comparing strategies to real-world problems and comparing written numerals. Students will be using comparative language and justifications to explain how they determined which number was greater or less, or if they were equal. Students should be expressing their thinking and connections with vocabulary, tools, and a number line. Student thinking may include phrases like, I used the matching strategy to compare, or using my number line, I see that 14 is greater than 12. Key vocabulary in this unit has been taught previously in the Comparing Numbers to 10 unit. This unit is an opportunity to connect the learning and continue to build a deeper understanding of the value of numbers and the correlation of the number's position on a number line or when rote counting. Students will have a chance to show what they know throughout the unit with their use of the comparative language and justifications, along with circling and Xing out sets that are greater or less and representing a set with pictures and then counting the sets to compare them. The observation checklist is another tool available to teachers to track student knowledge throughout the unit. In this unit, you'll have a chance to ask questions that will show an understanding of number knowledge and connections to previous units. Questions like, how many are in this set, and what strategy did you use to compare? Then extend the questions to ask how that strategy helped them to compare, or ask if they can show you another way to compare. At-home connections can be made easily for comparing by having students simply comparing food items. Which bag has more? Which bag has less? Make sure to inform families that we are not using greater than, less than symbols to compare. Encourage them to count items and use circles and X's to indicate more or fewer. Thank you for watching this video today. See you next time.